little bit of the spa thing, and then we went to clubs at night. So I did a little bit of everything, and the food there is so amazing. Vegas season is a time to celebrate, let loose, and make memories that will last a lifetime. I am so excited to be on the Vegas season tour, and we are just going coast to coast to bring Vegas to life. If I could be front row at one strip headliner in Vegas, it would be J-Lo's. I'm really excited to see her at Planet Hollywood, and I know she's quite the performer, so it's exciting. When I'm in Las Vegas, one of my favorite places to dine is Buddy V's. They have amazing Italian food and awesome desserts. The way that I pamper myself in Las Vegas is spa all day long to prepare for what's in store for the night ahead. Two of my favorite nightclubs in Vegas are TAO and LAVO. Happy Vegas season!
When I'm not cooking in a restaurant, one of my favorite things in Las Vegas is to visit Red Rock, hiking and camping. Summer is Vegas season. This is just a great party time. It's fun in the sun all day, and then hot party